So finally, of what we have discussed so far, the gist as to why we have to do performance testing is simple. Bad performance is bad for business. Maybe Amazon that we are talking about, or IRCTC, or Flipkart, or your Gmail, or Facebook, or Google Plus, any web application. If the performance of that application is bad, when I said the performance of the application is bad, what I meant was the application is slow. If that particular application is slow, then that is bad for that business. Whatever the business they are doing, like Amazon, they are doing an online shopping. Gmail, they are doing the business wherein they can show you the ads and all that. Facebook, they are doing some sort another sort of business. All these guys are doing business, and if the performance of that application is bad, which means that that particular application is slow, then it is bad for the business. So the whole purpose of doing the performance testing is to test that application and make sure the application is not slow. You do the testing, you do the fixing, and make sure that application is fast. That's what it is. And the second point is lack of proper performance testing results in loss of revenue, loss of credibility, and eventually loss of customers. That's exactly what it is. If the performance is bad, probably you like that website, you will go for the first time, second time, but eventually at some point of time you will give up, saying that, oh, this particular application is slow, I'm not going to use this application anymore, probably I'll find another website. Let's say we are talking about Gmail. If the performance of Gmail is bad, maybe you'll go to a Yahoo Mail or Rediff Mail or some other AOL or something like that. Let's say you're using a messenger. Let's say Yahoo Messenger is not good enough, it's kind of slow. After you type, probably after some time it is reflecting, then probably you will go with the Gtalk or something like that. And if it's a Facebook, and if the performance of the Facebook is pretty bad, then probably there are other competitors like Google Plus or something like that. So for every single area there are always competitors, and you don't like that particular website, you always go back to another competitor. So from the website owner point of view, they want you to come again and again, and they don't want to lose the customers. So that's the reason why they get their applications performance tested, and they make sure that applications are fast enough. Well, I've been using this word application again and again in my last 2 videos. What is this application? I mean, most of you would have figured it out, but I just thought, let me be very clear as to what is application when I said application. Well, when I said application, what I meant was any software could be your application. In the last 2 videos, I've been repeating this word website, web application. So application may not have to be just a website or a web application. Application could be anything. It could be any of your softwares. As you can see here, it could be even those applications which are used at the grocery stores. Well, you go and then you buy the stuff and you're checking out, and they do something on the computer. So there's an application sitting over there on those computers. So it could be that application, or it could be the application which is running in the medical stores, or you visit the banks and the teller will be doing something on the computer when you want to deposit or withdraw the money. So that application. So it could be any of those applications, or it could be an SAP application, or it could be an Oracle Apps application, or it could be some custom-made application using any of those softwares like Java, C++, .NET. So when I said application, it could be any of those applications. It may not have to be just a website.